everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Richa Piplani. I hope you all are safe at your homes. So जैसे कि इस पेंडेमिक की वजह से ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स तो बन नहीं पा रहे हैं, so I thought why not make an informative video for all my cabin crew aspirants. So in this video you are going to clear all your doubts and questions which you have about cabin crew jobs. ये ट्रेनिंग कितनी होती है, फ्लाइट्स कब स्टार्ट होती हैं, so all the other doubts. So let's get started. First of all, for all those who do not know me, let me tell you that I have worked as a cabin crew for 11 years in different airlines, and currently from the last 2.5 years I am training the new cabin crew aspirants in one of the institute. So while training them, I realized that काफ़ी सारे most of the people do not have enough knowledge about what is the job like सबको fly तो करना है, cabin crew बनना है, but उसमें होगा क्या, ट्रेनिंग क्या होगी, कैसे आपको बताएंगे कैबिन क्रू का काम, एंड सो मेनी अदर डाउट्स. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट शेयर ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विद ऑल माय व्यूअर्स. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जैसे ही आपका इंटरव्यू क्लियर हो जाता है, यू विल बी गिवन अ लॉन्ग लिस्ट फॉर योर मेडिकल्स. Yes, you have to undergo a medical test. The list will be shared by the company, and the doctors and the hospitals also will be shared by them. So आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से किसी भी डॉक्टर से मेडिकल चेकअप नहीं करवा सकते हैं. उन्हीं के recommended डॉक्टर्स या हॉस्पिटल से ही वो हो सकता है. अगर आपके सिटी में उनके अवेलेबल recommended हॉस्पिटल्स नहीं हैं, so you might have to travel to other cities. After you clear your medicals, you will be I think almost a week after that you will be getting a call or an email from them stating that your medicals are cleared, and in that email you will also be getting your offer letter. So in that offer letter you will be getting your date of joining. So from here your journey will begin as a cabin crew trainee. So आपकी जर्नी तो स्टार्ट हो गई, but that doesn't mean you are going to start flying immediately. अभी बहुत टाइम है, उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारे टेस्ट क्लियर करने पड़ेंगे. टेस्ट मीन एग्ज़ाम्स. सो इट इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी. जो आपको ऑफर लेटर का ईमेल और डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग आया होगा, उसमें आपको काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें भी बताएंगे एयरलाइन वाले कि आपको ये लेके आना है, फॉर्मल्स लेके आने हैं, शूज़ लेके आने हैं, एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स दे विल बी टेलिंग यू. And also one more important thing they will be telling, especially the domestic airlines in India will be telling you to bring a DD, demand draft. That can be depending on the airlines कितने का होगा. So for example, some airlines ask you a security deposit for around 50,000. So आपको ये security deposit airline को first day of joining पर submit करवाना है DD उसका. Some airlines might ask 70,000, 80,000, 1 lakh. That simply depends on the airline. So that we can't say कि fixed amount है. That varies from airline to airline. And international airline के लिए कोई भी security deposit नहीं है. So that is the best thing if you join an international airline. So with some airlines the security deposit amount is refundable, and with some airlines it is not refundable. So some airlines will just tell you 1 lakh security deposit which is non-refundable. That is kind of their training fee. So the fee for the training which they will be providing you. So ये भी आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आपको इतना कैश आपका होना चाहिए available so that you can give the demand draft to them. So after that you have to travel to the destination wherever the training center of the airline is. For domestic airlines in India it is either Delhi or Bombay, and for international airlines जहाँ की भी आपकी airline है वहीं आपको travel करना पड़ेगा, like Doha, Dubai, Singapore, anywhere. Don't worry, the tickets will be provided by the company. That is the biggest advantage of working in an airline. So now while you are flying to the training center, your biggest concern will be your accommodation. So for domestic airlines here in India, they will be providing you accommodation for maximum 10 days to 15 days. And after that, you have to find your own accommodation. But for airlines, international airlines, this is on them. So you don't have to worry anything about where to stay and all that, and during the training and even after that. So yes, you have to take an accommodation, a room, a house, a PG on rent wherever your training is. So आपने ज्वाइन तो कर लिया, उसके बाद आपकी 3 months की ट्रेनिंग होगी, हार्डकोर स्टडी. So yes, you have to study a lot in cabin crew training for minimum 3 months these days. So क्या ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी आपको? It will be based on safety, service, फर्स्ट एड एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स. सो आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा, उसके बाद एग्ज़ाम भी होगा एंड एग्ज़ाम में 80% मार्क्स आर पासिंग. सो यू कैन नॉट जस्ट से कि अब ज्वाइन कर लिया है सो आई कैन चिल. नो, यू हैव टू स्टिल वर्क हार्ड, study hard so that you can fly soon. After clearing all the exams, your swimming drills, fire drills and so many other things, आता है आपका last day the training which is called the graduation day. So graduation day पर आपको आपका certificate मिल जाता है that you have successfully completed 3 months of training in safety, service, first aid and all dangerous goods, aviation security, everything. And also important thing, you will get your SEP license, the flying license that you have to carry every day to flight. And one more thing is your wings. Yes, like बाकी इंडस्ट्रीज में नेम बैच होते हैं बट कैबिन क्रू को मिलते हैं विंग्स विद देयर नेम्स ऑन दोस. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग योर विंग्स एंड यू आर रेडी टू फ्लाई. So now after your training is completed, you will also be told which bases do you get. Bases as in where you will be staying in India for domestic airlines, and for international airlines they have a fixed base. Like for Qatar they have Doha base and for Emirates they have Dubai base. So for domestic airlines you will be given your bases. For example, if you are from north, so not necessarily that you will be getting a Delhi base only. You might be getting a south base, you might be getting Hyderabad, you might be getting Chennai, any other base also. So you have to be mentally prepared for that. And accommodation in that area again will be taken care by yourself. So airline will not be providing you any accommodation for your basis. It can provide maximum 1 week or 10 days accommodation so that you can search your own accommodation after that. So after you go to your designated bases, you cannot start flying immediately solo because you have done everything theoretically so far, but you will still be a little scared कि काम कैसे करना है फ्लाइट पर and everything, so many other doubts. So उसके लिए आपकी होंगी FAM flights, familiarization flights. So 3 to 4 flights मिलेंगी आपको and you will be observing the crew on flight. आप एक crew की तरह ही जाएंगे but आप काम नहीं करेंगे फ्लाइट पे, आप सिर्फ observe करेंगे कि how things actually happen on flight practically. So after you observe on those flights, then you will be having your check flight. Check flight, very important. In this check flight, you will be assessed by a check crew. So कोई भी check crew जो senior crew होगा वो आपको check करेगा आपकी safety knowledge पे, grooming पे, आपके SOP, that is operating procedures के ऊपर आपको सारे rules regulations पता हैं या नहीं पता हैं. So he or she will be checking you on that. After she is satisfied, she will be signing your SEP card, the license which I told you. So वो sign करेंगी and that will be your freedom to fly forever. Not forever, for 1 year. Yes, this training is valid only for 1 year, and after 1 year, like you need to get your license renewed. For 3 to 4 days आपका फिर से training होता है हर साल, so that you can renew your license and keep on flying. So now you have got your wings, you have got your SEP card signed, and you're ready to fly. And so this was the procedure after your interviews are cleared. If you have any other doubts or questions regarding the same, do ask me in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.